Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are keeping well. I have done most of my makeup except for the eyes because आज के वीडियो में I'm going to follow a makeup tutorial by Natasha Denona. I bought a brand new palette from her when I went on my trip to Bangkok. Actually, it's not brand new. It's been in the market for more than 2-3 years, but I just got my hands on it. And usually when Natasha Denona launches a new palette, she puts out 4 to 5 tutorials on her Instagram or YouTube to create different looks with her palettes. And I'm going to follow one such tutorial which I saw on her Instagram page, and I instantly fell in love with that tutorial. So I'm going to create a Natasha Denona makeup tutorial, but an Indianized version of it to go with your saris or any of your Indian outfits basically, and it is going to look beautiful on you guys. Did I tell you yet which palette I'm talking about? I am talking about the Natasha Denona Glam palette, and now I have wanted to try it out for so long. I ordered it on Sephora twice in India, but before they could send it to me, they ran out of stock with this palette and they cancelled my order twice. This is how much I wanted to get this palette, and finally I just got it on my trip to Bangkok, and I'm super excited about it. Natasha Denona palettes are some of my absolute favorite palettes. Like, they are super pricey, I know, but if you like to create a good glam eyeshadow palettes, they are worth the investment. This is what this one looks like. It comes in a nice taupey packaging, and this is what the inside looks like. It comes with a full-size mirror, and these are all the colors in this palette. It's a nice cool toned palette. You get some really beautiful mattes and some glitters and some shimmers and some metallic shades, and it's a beautiful palette. The first step she does is taking this transition shade and putting it all across the transition of her eye, and I'm going to do exactly that. Now her model is a bit more light complexion than me, so maybe this shade will not show up as much on me. Let me zoom you guys in. Next up, she takes this crease shade and she puts it all over her eyelid. I'm not going to go in with too much color at once because I've done all of my base makeup and I don't want it to be spoiled with any fallout. So I'm going to slowly build up the color. This is a nice grey tone taupey shade and it's looking beautiful. Next up, she also runs this crease shade across her lower lash line, and I'm going to do that as well. And she also smokes it out on the outer edge quite a bit, like to create a nice smoky look. Next up, she takes a black eyeliner pencil and she lines her waterline, and also she uses it across her upper lash line. I'm taking my MAC PowerPoint eye pencil in the shade Engraved, and I'm using it to very heavily line my waterline with this. And also along with my upper lash line, very close to it. She does not apply too thick of a line along with the upper lash line, just a thin one, and then she just smudges it out. Next up, she uses a pencil brush to smudge out the kajal along with the upper and the lower lash line. I'm taking a flatter shader brush and I'm smoking out the eyeliner really nicely. And then next she takes this deeper lash line shade and she runs it on top of the eyeliner that we've just smudged out to deepen it and set it, I believe. Then she also uses this lash line shade along with the lower lash line. And then she goes back in with the crease shade that she used to smudge it out, smoke it out even more. Wow, I just love how nice and smoky it looks already. Next up, she takes this outer eyelid shade, which is a beautiful metallic dark taupe, and she puts it all over her eyelid with the finger. I believe she did not put it on top of the eyeliner, which I have, but koi baat nahi. We'll go back in with the eyeliner to get the depth back. Just look at how beautiful and reflective and metallic this shade is. I'm going to go back in with the lash line shade to get that depth back along with the lash line. And then lastly, she takes this inner corner shade and she puts it on the inner corner of her eye and along with the brow bone. And that is pretty much it that she does for the eyes, and I just love the texture, the colors, and just everything about this eyeshadow palette. To finish off the eye look, she just uses a nice coating of mascara and a false eyelash, and I'll quickly go ahead and do that off the camera. I really want to do the nice transition that she does. Let me try to do it with you guys. And just like that, with the blink of an eye, our makeup is complete. I also went ahead and added a nice nude lipstick to finish off the makeup look, and that is how our finished completed makeup look looks. I absolutely love how nice and glam and sultry this is. I don't even know how the transition has turned out. जब edit करूँगी ना तब पता चलेगा. But I really hope it looks as beautiful as it does on Natasha Denona videos. About this palette, if you're looking for a nice, you know, cool toned glam eyeshadow palette, this is a beautiful palette for that. Of course, a pricey one, it's an investment, but it's worth the investment. And well, yeah, that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy watching my videos. If you do, please like and share my videos and do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.